Hello everybody, welcome once again my channel. Pratna is here. So guys, today in this video I'm going to share with you how I did master in English without taking any classes, without paying single penny and without any guidance. How I did master in English. Yeah, I know that there are always room for improving. I do mistakes and I have to improve it more and more, but for gaining like this fluency, a lot of people they has been struggling a very long time. And when I began my journey from zero, like this that, and guys, 10 and 11 month ago I started my journey, and now I'm talking front of you. So what strategies I follow, I'm going to share with you in this video. So if you are the someone who is knocking the head against the wall over your problem, and how to become good at English without taking classes, can I become good at English without paying single penny? So if I say yes, yeah, you can. If I can, so you definitely can. So what you need to do, you need to watch this video from beginning to end without taking any pause, without scripting. Okay, so tell you first thing what you need to do, you need to believe yourself. Yes, what we are doing, we are not believing ourselves. We have to we have to believe ourselves. You know why? Because sometimes we think, oh, I'm not improving. Sometimes we think I'm not speaking good, I cannot speak, I don't know grammar, I don't know vocabulary, I don't know how to express our thought, I unable to ask question. Don't say yourself like this. If you don't know, so you learn. You say, I will learn, I can learn, I can speak, I am capable to speak, I am capable to do everything. I'm not saying only English, whatever you want to do. So always keep positive thing. When we keep negative thing our mind, so our brain start working like this. Our mind start working like this. क्या होता है कि जब हम निगेटिव थिंक अपने दिमाग में रखते हैं ना, तो धीरे 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 हम वैसे ही बनने लगते हैं. वी जस्ट स्टार्ट बीइंग लाइक दिस. सो फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू इरेडिकेट, you need to remove your all negative things from your brain. Like, no, I can't do everything. If she can, so I can. Yeah, like this thought you keep in your mind. Yeah, it could be take a time, I know that. Nothing is happen only one day. कुछ भी एक दिन में नहीं होता है. If somebody say you will become fluent only 1 month, 2 months, so it is impossible. In a 3 month you will start. If your level is 0, so you will start speaking. You can say you can convey your thought in a 3 month. No one can become fluent only 3 months. It's take a lot of time. So just keep positive think first thing, and believe yourself. And second thing what you need to do, you need to you know you need to find a good teacher whose explanation you can understand. There are many teachers on YouTube. There are many teachers on YouTube, so you can find any good teacher, and you just go playlist, and you only watch those video like in spoken English classes video. There are plenty of I can say teacher, they just made playlist and uploaded there. So if you watch one in a playlist, what we get, what benefit we get, we just we can get one by one, like row we get a videos. So just watch first class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class, like 60 and 70 classes, they uploaded. I did same thing. I did. So if you watch that classes video, so you will get to know little things, how to make sentences, how to express thought, how to speak, past, present. If you want to share your past things, so how to share everything they will share. Don't watch, like one video here, one video there. Don't watch like this. Just catch teacher, one good teacher, one good teacher, and just stick with them. Yeah, just keep watching those video only. You watch, and how to do, I let me tell you. First, when you watch first class video, then what you need to do, whatever instruction it has given there, so you just follow those thing. जो भी वो समझाते हैं ना, जो भी बताते हैं कि लाइक ऐसे करो, सारी चीज़ें एकदम फॉलो करो। लाइक ऐसे फॉलो करो कि जैसे आप कोई ओरिजिनल की क्लास ले रहे हो, उस तरह से फॉलो करो। एंड की प्रैक्टिस, खूब सारी प्रैक्टिस करो। तो जब when you start doing like this regularly, so definitely you would be good. I did follow, मैंने किया है। एंड अभी भी जब मैं कहीं स्टेक होती हूँ, मुझे कोई भी नई चीज़ सीखनी होती है, whenever I want to learn good new things, so I go to that teacher whose I like, and I just learn from them. आई से आई एम एकलव्य स्टूडेंट, लाइक जैसे एकलव्य बाहर खड़ा होके पूरा पढ़ लिया था ना, उस तरह से मैं अपने आप को प्रिटेम्प्ट करती हूँ। तो सेम यू कैन आल्सो डू। आई एम हिज एकलव्य स्टूडेंट, एंड जस्ट आई एम लर्निंग फ्रॉम सीइंग हिज वीडियो। एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट you need to watch any conversation video, any good conversation video, not a like co-learners video, like they do mistake. No, any good conversation video. Even you can watch any tutor video, whatever video you like. So what you need to do, you need to write whatever vocabulary you are not getting that word meaning, so you just write down, and just watch whole video. After that you go and search meaning on Google, Chat GPT, where you like, and again you watch that video after knowing that vocabulary. So when you watch second time, so definitely you would know how they are using that vocabulary, which place they are using, how they making structure. So it is very fruitful, if you start doing. Don't watch random video here and there a lot of, and don't waste your time. Literally I tell you, like watching random video, no. Just watch one video, one classes video, and one conversation video. And you can watch one vocabulary if you wanna learn vocabulary. So you search on Chat GPT, Google, and otherwise you can watch any vocabulary video if you have much time. I'm talking about if you haven't time, so what should you do? So when you start like grabbing like this knowledge, so after 1.5 month you will realize, oh, now my English is improving. So what you need to do, you need to just start speaking practice. And how to do, there are a lot of apps. Just I don't believe stand front of mirror and talk. No, everybody they follow their own rule. If you like stand front of mirror and talking with yourself, so that's okay, it's okay if you are like. And if you don't like, so you can make your video. In the beginning when we start connecting with people, and our level very beginning level, so that time people we are being to judge by people. In the beginning if you start connecting with people, so it is not a good. Why let me tell you. Because when we connect with somebody and we don't know English, and they know very well English, that time we are judged by other. So we feel demotivated. Oh, I'm not good at enough, I don't know very good English, I am not able to speak. Like this thinking comes in our mind. So what we need to do, we need 1 month we need to practice with ourselves. And actually I used to do, I used to make my video and I used to imitate whenever I used to watch any video, so I imitate means कि उनकी नकल करती थी. कहते हैं ना कि नकल करना, जो वो बोलते थे वही मैं रिपीट करती, रिपीटेशन यू कैन से. एंड आई यूज टू आस्क क्वेश्चन टू माई सेल्फ कि how to do normal conversation, like this question I used to ask, and I used to make videos. So when I able to convey my message, when I able to talk with anybody, so I began my journey connecting with people. And that time also I faced a lot of problem. I want to share you one incident. I want to share with you one incident happened with me. Actually, when I began my journey, so I just watch a YouTube video, and I got to know about apps, speaking apps. So I install, and I called it. I called it a person. So my first impression was very bad. This person say you don't know grammar, you don't know how to express our thought, and you are came here in this app. First you go learn grammar and past tense, present tense, lots of things he said. And I stopped using app. I installed the app. I thought, oh, I'm not able to speak with anybody. What should I do? And I stop talking with. I stop using any app. So and I started working on myself. Why I am sharing with you this thing? Like, you don't do like this. In the beginning, don't go any app. It's a very basic. If you are capable to convey your message, then you will go. If you knows little bit English, like how to convey, like क्या नाम है, कहाँ रहते हो, क्या करते हो, क्या पसंद है, क्यों ये कर रहे हो, like this question you know how to ask, and you know especially how to give reply. So that's okay, you can start using any app. And in the last, I want to say to you one thing: just maintain consistency. Whatever are you doing, if you are reading books, so every day read. If you are watching any video, so every day watch. If you are taking any classes video, if you are watching any classes video, so regularly watch, regularly. Don't skip कि चलो आज नहीं कल कर लूँगी, कल नहीं परसों कर लूँगी. नो, don't skip every day, every single day. If you do, so definitely you would be good English speaker very fast. So these strategies I did follow. And if you have any question, if you wanna know which teacher I have been following, and whatever you want to know, you drop message in comment box. Definitely I will help you. So I think that's enough. So be active, and just keep learning. Bye bye.